What's up, mi gente? And tonight we're going to be making my cheesy remix to Shepherd's pie. Look at the grocery list. Now it's time to start washing our produce and get to peeling. After peeling our carrots, we're going to start chopping them up and getting them ready for our meat mix. Now we'll begin to add all our seasonings into our meat mix, as well as our diced onions, diced poblano bell peppers, and also our carrots. We're also going to be adding in our tomato paste, and we'll be ready to go. Now moving on to our diced potatoes so that we can put them into the boiling hot water. Let's begin to get our pan ready so that we can start putting our first layer of meat. Always distribute the meat evenly so that every single serving has the perfect amount. Now time for the top secret ingredient, queso dip. If you guys have not seen the video on my queso dip, go back to my channel and watch it so that you can use this as a top secret ingredient over our meat. This is going to give us the ultimate cheesiness. Now let's move on to our mashed potatoes. We are going to be adding that flour, some sour cream, butter, and some garlic powder. We are going to be mashing that up perfectly. Let's go back to our pan so that we can start creating that really nice thick layer of mash on top of our meat. Now it's time for cheese. Now you guys know that I am very, very generous with the cheese. I add multiple layers. I have some mozzarella and some sharp cheese. Now it's time to pop into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to set high on the broiler for 5 minutes. Take a look at this cheese crust, guys. It is absolutely amazing. Now, this shepherd's pie remix is one that you must try at home. If you do, remember to comment in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And share it with a friend. Stay blessed. Until next time.